Hey there! Today I'm diving into one of the most striking national flags in the world, the bold, dramatic flag of Albania. And hey, if you love discovering the stories behind symbols, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Info Infinity Loop. So picture this, a deep red field blazing like a sunset with a fierce black double-headed eagle right in the middle. It's not just a flag, it's a centuries-old story of freedom, strength, and unbreakable spirit. Let's rewind a bit. The double-headed eagle dates all the way back to the Byzantine Empire. For Albanians, it became a symbol of unity and resistance. During the 15th century, a national hero named Skanderbeg led a rebellion against the mighty Ottoman Empire. He raised this exact eagle as his standard, and ever since, it's been a badge of honor for Albania. But what about the colors? The red stands for bravery, valor, and the blood of those who fought for Albania's independence. The black eagle? It's a symbol of sovereignty, soaring high and proud, with two heads that look both east and west, showing Albania's unique spot bridging Europe and Asia. Now, here's something cool. Albania's flag is one of the very few in the world that features just two colors and a unique, powerful animal. It's instantly recognizable. And for Albanians everywhere, it's a source of pride and unity, especially when waved at cultural festivals, football matches, Independence Day. Flags aren't just pieces of fabric, right? They tell stories. They connect generations. And the Albanian flag does this with boldness. It says, "We are here, we are proud, and we will always stand together." So the next time you see that red banner with its black eagle, remember? You're looking at a symbol that survived centuries of struggle, carried the hopes of a nation, and still inspires millions today. Thanks for joining me on this journey through history and identity. If you enjoyed it and want to unlock more stories from around the globe, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to Info Infinity Loop. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.